Hi, welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Microbiology. How do you prove that something exists when no one else can see it? Early microbiologists had to develop new tools, design careful experiments, and challenge ideas that had been accepted for centuries. Their discoveries revealed an entire world that had always surrounded us and completely changed how we understand food, disease, medicine, and even our own bodies. In this module, we'll define microbiology and discuss why I use the words microorganism and microbe a little differently than you may be used to. We'll also meet several scientists whose work transformed what we know about life, disease, and prevention. Then we'll look at the much bigger picture of microbiology, including the roles humans play in health, food production, the environment, and biotechnology. By the end of the module, you should be able to explain not only the scientists and the microbes and what they've all done, but how and why their contributions matter. Microbes are everywhere, which can occasionally be alarming, might make you a germaphobe by the end of the class, but hopefully not, because you'll understand them. But I think what we're all going to agree on is it's pretty incredible what this little invisible world around us is capable of. So, this course is all about learning how to talk like a scientist, think scientifically, and actually be able to do the techniques that microbiologists do. As you work through this module, jot down any terms or ideas that are new. When it comes to terminology, write down the word, the definition I give, but then try putting it into your own words in a way that you're better going to be able to remember and recall later. For the history of microbiology portion, you only need to worry about the scientist's last name, what they did, kind of how they did it, if their experimental setup matters, which it does, and then how that contribution shaped microbiology as we know it. And then we're going to move into how the microbes impact our lives. So for right now, we're just thinking big picture. Okay. So when I talk about phage therapy, I don't expect you to be a phage therapy expert by the end of this module, but this is an idea we're going to come back to throughout the course. So at this moment, you're going to want to be able to just provide kind of a big picture overview, a brief summary of each idea, bioremediation, phage therapy, antibiotic resistance, things like that. Okay, but please don't think you need to be an expert at this point because we are going to dive into the details of these ideas later. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoy module 1, and if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Bye, y'all.